Technology can seem like it's a walled garden. You're either on the inside with the fancy certifications and the fancy titles, or you're on the outside looking in, wondering how much it costs to get started. Welcome to StoutCasa Solutions. I'm Justin. Whether you're looking to break into IT, a small business owner trying to make sense of the cloud, or a seasoned pro looking to pivot your career, this channel is for you. Today, I'm not just introducing a channel. I want to help you figure out exactly where you are right now and map out where you want to be. I didn't start off in a clean air-conditioned data center. My career actually started in the United States Air Force, not behind a keyboard, but as a crew chief on heavy aircraft and fighters. I had my FAA airframe and power plant license before I had my Microsoft certifications. I know the discipline it takes to learn a complex system from scratch. Over the last 30 years, I've taken this discipline from the flat line to leading massive modernization efforts as a senior program manager and an enterprise architect for both the public and the private sectors. Why does this matter to you? Because I haven't just read the books, I've done the work. I've been the beginner studying late at night to get that next certification, and now I want to shorten that learning curve for you. Where are you and where do you want to be? Maybe you're working a job that you really don't care for and you see IT as a way out. Maybe you're a small business owner who wants their data to be safe without paying a fortune to a consultant. Or you're a sysadmin who knows you need to learn new skills to stay relevant. This brings me to the core philosophy of StoutCasa Solutions, resourcefulness. There are two ways to pay for an education in technology. You pay with money or you pay with time. If you have the budget and you want to accelerate your learning, I highly recommend Pluralsight. It's not just a video tutorial. They have interactive labs and sandboxes that let you apply skills in real-world scenarios. So you aren't just watching, you're building. They only accept the top 5% of applicants as authors, so I know the content is backed by industry experts. I put a link in the 10-day free trial in the description below. If you want to follow along with my lab without installing software on your work laptop, grab that trial and use their sandboxes. But, and this is important, if you don't have the budget for training right now, that stops nothing. On this channel, I'm going to show you the alternatives. We're going to talk about self-hosting. We'll look at how to make an old PC turn into a powerhouse server using Linux, Windows, or whatever the flavor is that you want to use. We'll look at cloud providers, free tiers, low-cost options. I believe in practical technology. That means using the tools that fit your situation. If you're ready to take ownership of your technical journey, whether you're gunning for a senior architect role or just trying to set up a home lab, you're in the right place. Do me a favor. In the comments below, tell me one thing. What is this one tech skill you wish you had right now? Let's figure out how to get you there. I'm Justin. This is StoutCasa Solutions. Practical technology explained clearly. I'll see you all in the next video. Y'all take care.